puffins, kittiwakes. I'm not even going to read all the names because I can't pronounce them. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nesting birds on the cliff edge down there. Don't ask me what they are. I'm not a bird spotter. I wish I was, but I'm not. Wow, did you see it down here? Come on. Stinks a bit of bird poop as well. Yep. Look at that. All the little birdies. The lady said at the... Hold on. Oh yeah, gannets. Have a superpower, red eyesight. They are positioned to give binocular vision, which better helps them pinpoint the position of the fish when diving. Some dudes will pay a lot of money for that. They even have a special eyelid that protects their eyes when they hit the water. My dogs have special eyelids. Flipping and gorgeous. Oh, look at the birds. They do ask you to keep your dogs on leads. Come here. Mainly because there's obviously people walking around that might not like dickhead dogs like ours. And also, there's a 4-foot leap. This side, Rudo's. 4-foot leap. So, no, 400-foot cliff, not 4 foot. I'm 4 foot. I'm not. I'm 5 foot 1 3/4. Leap off a cliff over there, and that little dipstick in Scotland tried to actually leap off a cliff. Luckily, he had his lead on, so that little nonsense was prevented. So there's some nesting. What are they? Gannets. Gannets over there. David Attenborough, eat your beautiful heart out. Yolanda's coming to take you. Because they've got like x-ray vision. Did you not read the board? And special eyelids for diving for fish.
Yeah, that's looking down and getting fish in the sea. But do you reckon there's ever like a mid-air collision? One guy looking over there, one guy looking over there, and they go, oh, come on, yeah?
Incoming!
Oh, sorry, Phil.
Warning, terrain. Also what the lady said is that mommy and daddy gannets are feeders, so they overfeed the, forgotten what the little birds are called. I was just like staring at her beautiful purple hair, and so she said the little fat baby birds then are too heavy to fly, so they just chuck themselves off the cliff there into the water and then just float in the water, and then that's how they build their muscles and then learn to fly and lose weight. So maybe that's what I should do, chuck myself off and like waddle in the water down there until I lose some of my baby fat, because that's what it is, mommy, baby fat. Bartlett Nab Viewpoint, also very smelly. very friendly, I promise. Okay, so this is quite high, and as you can see, beautiful, beautiful viewpoint. And apparently, sometimes you can see some porpoises and dolphins and all sorts up here. Today, there are no fins. Oh, hey bird! You right, buddy? Yeah, dive. Go get a fish.
I went to get some people bloke and they were headed that way up to the next bank. By the time they got here, they turned round and
So, yeah, as I was saying, dolphins, porpoises, none. But loads of birdies, and it's lovely. Very nice. And a beautiful yacht over there somewhere. Maybe a cruise liner, whatever. I don't like ships. I can't think of anything worse than going on a cruise.
When we're going on a cruise?
And we're never going on a cruise. Only cruise we'll go on is in my kayak. Look at that. Just birds everywhere. So those cliffs are actually brown, but it's white because of bird poop. Fact, David says. Fact. Wow. God, that must get loud. It must get really loud. Oscar,